What's up, YouTube? This your boy Brandon 985. I'm back at you with another video. Make sure you click that like button, click the bell, leave me comments, and make sure you subscribe. So now that being said, make sure y'all go check out Clarksville Guns and Archery. You can go online, or if you're in Clarksville, you can stop by. Yeah, you see the hat, man. Clarksville Gun and Archery. Holla at your boy. Yeah, the mossberg Patriot just come out the box. There she go right there, looking good. Check that out. Yeah, that's a 450 Patriot mossberg. Yeah, that's my baby, man. Just went picked her up. Ain't nothing in it. It's the mag right here. There's something right here, man. This right here hit you from a distance. It's that mossberg. 450. Look at the 450. Just went picked her up. Look at that thing, man. Got it for cheap. Got it for a price that I want for it. I think I got a good deal for it. I'm not gonna tell you how much I paid for it, but I got a deal like this, brand new, straight out the box. So I will be taking this to the range if they allow me to shoot this kind of caliber at the gun range, because it's a 450. Some gun ranges be strict on kind of firepower you shoot. But yeah, that's my baby, man. I have to see what she'll do. But yeah, man, y'all holler at me, man.